Hey everyone, it's not every day you get to see a shipwreck up on Cayo Costa. Over the weekend, Crystal and I took Crystal Blue up to Cabbage Key and Cayo Costa, and we saw this rather large motor vessel parked way up high on Cayo Costa Beach. This obviously brought a lot of attention on the beach and on social media. On the popular Southwest Florida boating Facebook group, a lot of people were talking about it. A lot of people knew some information. By the look of some of the drone footage you are about ready to see, it looks like the anchor and even windlass might have pulled right out of the bow. It's said that the Tropical Storm Debby that we had about a week ago, this boat was anchored off the island in the Gulf, and it totally ripped up the boat. I think some holes were below the water line and they started to take on water. So rumor is they might have drove it up onto the beach to save the boat from sinking. From some of the messages online, we heard that the people do live on this boat, and it's sad to see this is somebody's home that is now parked where it's not supposed to be parked. And as you can see from this footage, a lot of their possessions are brought out onto the deck, maybe to air out, maybe to make room so they can fix some of the hull damage. Not quite sure. I don't want to speculate on what actually happened to this vessel. I wasn't there. I didn't talk to these people. But, as a fellow boater, you never want to see anything like this. And we always want to, help out other people when you can, when you see people having trouble out there on the water. And in a situation like this, I'm sure it was pretty scary for them. And they did what they could to save the boat and to save themselves. But hope everybody is okay, and hope everybody stays safe out there in good weather and in bad. Cheers.